Abameli benkampani ephakela ngogesi kuleli Eskom bathi sizobeka engcupheni ukusebenza kwalesi sikhungo isinqumo sokukhiphela ngaphandle izikhungo ezimqoka zomphakathi kwi-load shedding.
Eskom makes it clear, emphatically, firstly, that its energy plan will be disrupted. It has a jet plan which will be disrupted, and that its ability to balance the grid will be catastrophically compromised. It makes that clear through multiple affidavits, including expert affidavits.
Uhulumeni kanye ne-Eskom bathi isicelo sokubukezwa kwesinqumo senkantolo uqinisekisa ukuthi kube nokulingana kwamandla alethwa ngo-Eskom ezweni lonke.
We submit finally that the government is actually constitutionally mandated to balance various socio-economic concerns and competing demands, making decisions based on available resources and priorities.
Kusenjalo iqembu lombusazwe Action SA ligxeke uhulumeni ngokungabeki phambili izidingo zabantu.
To go to police stations at night with load shedding, they're unable to assist you sometimes during the day because today we use technology to be able to operate. We see children dying in hospitals. We see our children being deprived of education during the day. As our legal team actually demonstrated and articulated that the children have to leave school because teachers are unable to really provide the necessary education.
Leli qembu lithi uhulumeni uchitha imali eningi yabakhokhi bentela ukukhokhela abameli kunokuthi alungise izinkinga ezibhekene no-Eskom.